Hey there, Scorpio. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is the reading for your love life regarding particularly for your love life situation. And I have already shuffled card because I have done reading in another language, and this is reading for your month of October. So I will tell you what cards are came up for you, as you are saying that the Fool, Five of Swords, Seven of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and underneath the deck you have Five of Pentacle, High Priestess, Temperance, Eight of Pentacle, and Four of Wands. So you want some kind of stability if you are separated from your partner, and you are hoping to have your partner again in your life, and you want balance, you want to make things balance with your partner. Maybe you are dealing with Sagittarius. Temperance is the card of Sagittarius. Maybe you are dealing with the Sagittarius this time, and this person is very much intuitive, or you are hoping and praying for this person, or this stability and balance. You are balance things out. You want to make things balance in your relationship, and you are hoping and praying for this, and you want to amend this separation kind of situation. What was going on in your relationship? You want to work things out in this relationship and want some kind of stability, or you are working hard to get this stability with this person, with your partner, uh, um, in your love life. So what let's see what other cards are saying to you. The Fool card is saying that you want some new start, new beginning in your love life. As I said, you want something new, you want to make things balance in your love life. So you want new start, new beginning in your love life with your partner, but there is some kind of struggle war is going on between you two people, or maybe people around you are creating some kind of instability in your love life. They manipulate, or they create some problem in your love life, or maybe this is your partner's energy. Maybe this partner is creating some kind of uh, fight with you, or maybe this person manipulate you a lot, or maybe you manipulate this person a lot, or your partner wants stability in you in this relationship, but you are defending your partner from these manipulations, and you want generous, you want to be generous toward your partner, and want to defend your love life. You and giving you want balance. As I said, that you want balance and make thing out, make thing work out in this relationship, and so balance is coming. I'm seeing that you are defending yourself from these manipulations. Maybe whether it is from your partner or from your other person, you are defending yourself and your love life, and you are making things balance in your love life in month of October. So let's see what is this Five of Swords here. I have clarified this Five of Swords. So these are cards came up, lot of cards came up for you. So maybe you are dealing, there is mm, a love offer, or maybe love offer, and something worth to celebrate in is going on in your love life. So you are celebrating, you are reuniting with your partner, you are offering your cup to this person. Maybe you are dealing with Pisces, or maybe you are secretively, intuitively thinking to reunite and offer this cup of love to this person, and you are victoriously walking toward your person, but you are doing this secretly because you are afraid of this manipulation and manipulation, mind games around you, and people around you gossiping a lot about you. So you are keeping this cup of love secret from others, or maybe someone, this person Sagittarius keeping their love life secret from other person to have the stability in their love life. That's why, because this person knows that people around them are not, uh, they have no good intention for their happiness and love life. So they are hiding their love life situation from other people. Maybe they are hiding their love life situation from you also. So maybe they have some fears from you, that you can create some kind of manipulation and tug of war kind of situation, fighting between this person and their partner. So maybe this person is defending their love life from you, or maybe you are defending your love life from other people around you. So I have clarified this defend card. So it's like that. Seven of Wand card is like that. Someone is keeping secrets and defend their love life, their happiness, their stability in love life. So they won't balance in their life, or maybe it's your energy. It can be your energy. You want to defend your love life, your happiness, and you want stability with your partner. Maybe you are dealing with the earth sign here. So someone is defending their happiness and hiding things from others, or maybe from you, or you are hiding your love life situations from others too, because of this fear of mind game manipulation. So outcome is here that uh, this temperance card came up again. Maybe you are dealing with a Sagittarius, and this Sagittarius having some kind of they have to make some kind of decision. They are confused, and they want to they are working uh, toward their relationship, or you are making balance in this relationship. You are indecisive. You will make a decision, you will work things out in this relationship, and now finally you will see the ships are coming towards you. Whatever you were wanting in your relationship is coming towards you in the month of October. So Scorpio, that was your reading for the month of October regarding your love life. If it resonates you, let me confirm in the comments below. Please like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.